Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're here to unpack the most important nuggets from the latest in technology. This is our AI Brief, episode 281.
We've got quite a mix today, really showing two sides of AI development.
Right, like the flashy creative stuff versus the deep foundational work.
Exactly. Explosive viral potential on one hand, and quiet, really fundamental scientific discovery on the other.
Okay, so our mission, as always, is to cut through that noise and get you the essential insights. What's on the list for this deep dive?
Well, first up is OpenAI's big release, Sora 2. We'll look at the model upgrades and its new social app with cameos.
Okay.
Then we'll pivot to Periodic Labs. They're building AI scientists for the physical world, a totally different angle.
AI scientists. Interesting.
Yeah. After that, Amazon's huge rollout of new Alexa Plus devices, practical consumer stuff.
Right, bringing it back home.
Then a quick run through other key AI news, and finally some top tools you can actually use right now to boost productivity.
Got it. Let's dive into that internet-breaking potential first. Sora 2. It feels like AI video is closing the gap incredibly fast.
It really is. A huge leap. And Sora 2, it's not just about looking better.
What's the key technical bit then?
The biggest thing, I think, is the synchronized audio and dialogue.
Yeah, that's always been a weak spot.
Totally. Before, sound effects or voices felt tacked on, didn't match. Now you get realistic, context-aware audio baked right in. It just makes the whole thing much more compelling.
And the physics. I saw some demos that looked way more solid.
Big improvements there. Things like, how liquids move or objects interact. It used to look kind of wonky.
Right, defied gravity sometimes.
Exactly. Now the model seems to get causality better, and the clips can be longer, like 5 to 10 seconds, handling complex scene changes without those weird glitches we used to see.
So better video, better audio, but how are they getting it out there? It's not just a model drop, is it?
No, and this is fascinating. They launched a new social app, too, built around a feature called Cameos.
Cameo?
Yeah, basically you record a quick video of yourself, your face, and you can stick it right into these AI-generated scenes.
Oh, wow. Okay, that sounds like instant meme generator potential.
Totally. They're launching the app free, though, with usage limits. In the US and Canada first. Seems like they want to just flood social media with these personalized clips.
But, does that risk quality? If everyone's just making quick, maybe slightly off-looking videos, are we trading glitches for just saturation?
Well, that's the big question for you, isn't it? Is this viral tool powerful enough to overcome what some people call the slop factor?
The slop factor, you mean that slightly low-effort AI-generated feel?
Yeah, exactly. So Har2 definitely pushes things, makes it look more real, but maybe still a bit uncanny. Is adding yourself into the story enough for it to stick around long-term? Or will people just get tired of the novelty?
That's a huge bet on consumer entertainment. Okay, let's switch gears completely. You mentioned the opposite side of the coin, foundational science. Periodic Labs.
Right. A really different vision, founded by Liam Fetus, who co-created ChatGPT.
Okay, so pedigree there.
Definitely. And their mission is, well, fundamentally different. They're building AI scientists. Actual AI systems designed to learn from physical experiments, not just scraping text off the internet.
So not generating content, but generating discoveries. How does that even work? It sounds expensive.
It is expensive. It involves building autonomous labs. Think robots running thousands and thousands of materials science experiments, 247.
Wow.
And unlike web data, each experiment generates maybe gigabytes of unique, messy, real-world data, stuff nobody's seen before. The AI then analyzes that to figure out the next experiment.
And they're tackling big things.
Huge things. Early projects focus on finding new superconductors, making chip manufacturing more efficient, and they've got serious backing, over $300 million in funding, valued at $1 billion. They've pulled in researchers from OpenAI, Meta, Google DeepMind.
Okay, impressive team. But the core idea, training AI on physical reality, that seems incredibly hard compared to just downloading the internet.
That's the whole point, really. Their argument is that LLMs have kind of squeezed the internet dry. They've learned what they can from existing texts.
Right, diminishing returns.
Exactly. So to make genuine breakthroughs, AI needs to get its hands dirty, move into the messy, expensive real world. It's a massive gamble, huge upfront costs for labs and equipment, but it shows this other path for AI way beyond just making videos or text.
Fascinating contrast. Okay, so we have viral video and deep science labs. Let's bring it back to something more immediate for most people. Amazon and Alexa, they just rolled out a ton of new stuff, right?
Yeah, a big push for Alexa Plus there. They're integrating it across their whole product line.
What does Alexa Plus actually do better?
It's supposed to handle more natural conversation, understand more complex requests, like it can supposedly handle web tasks autonomously, now booking a restaurant, that kind of thing, and deeper smart home control.
And it's not just software, there's new hardware.
Right. New Echo devices have custom chips inside, specifically to process AI requests on the device.
Ah, local processing. That's usually faster, maybe better for privacy.
That's the idea. Faster responses, less data going to the cloud. They also say the voice detection is better, recognizing specific people and the environment.
Okay, so where are we seeing these upgrades?
Pretty much everywhere. Ring cameras get Alexa, plus greetings like an AI answering the door for you. Also, familiar faces recognition, and even something called Search Party to help find lost pets using the cameras.
Okay, practical stuff. What about Kindle or Fire TV?
Yep. Kindles are getting AI-powered note-taking, summarizing, pulling out info. Fire TVs get Alexa, plus helping with movie recommendations, finding info while you watch, controlling smart home stuff from the TV.
So lots of integration.
Yeah.
But is it a game changer? Or just, incremental improvements? Are these custom chips really revolutionary?
Well, the synthesis here is that these are definitely practical updates. They're useful. People will probably like them. But it still feels like a small step forward. Amazon's making the current voice assistant paradigm better, smoother.
Refining it.
Exactly. The hardware, even with the custom chips, it still feels like it's waiting for that true breakout AI integration. The iPhone moment for ambient AI, where it's not just a command response thing, but truly seamless, maybe even anticipatory. We're not quite there yet, I think. Not from Amazon or anyone else, really.
Makes sense. Good baseline improvements, but maybe not the revolution yet. Okay, we've hit the big stories. Should we shift to the rapid-fire updates?
Let's do it. A quicker pace for the rest of the key news.
Okay, what's first?
Microsoft. They're bringing agent mode to Office apps.
Agent mode? Sounds helpful.
It means automating more complex tasks. Like in Excel, it can apparently do multi-step data analysis, build models, check results, stuff usually only power users could do.
Okay, and Word too.
Yep, agent mode there helps with drafting, summarizing, refining documents through interaction. And the overall Office agent vision is creating PowerPoints or Word reports just from a chat prompt.
Ah, that vibe working idea. Let the AI handle the grunt work.
That's the concept. Using AI for the routine stuff so you can focus on the higher level thinking.
Cool. What else?
Google's making search more visual with a new AI mode.
How does that work?
You can use images or just type natural language prompts, and you get back these visually rich, often shoppable results.
So instead of just links, you get pictures, products.
Right. And you can refine things conversationally, ask for moody maximalist bedrooms or barrel jeans that aren't too baggy, and it helps you narrow it down through discussion, rolling out in the US now.
Interesting. Okay, quick industry nuggets.
Sure. Elon Musk announced xAI is building Grokopedia. He's calling it a massive improvement over Wikipedia, aimed at understanding the universe.
Ambitious.
Next, Opera launched a new browser, Opera Neon. AI-powered, and it can supposedly take agentic actions.
Meaning it can do stuff for you.
Yeah, handle multi-step tasks like booking flights or finding info without constant clicking. It's a premium thing, via waitlist for now.
Got it. Anything on the hardware side?
Meta acquired a chip startup called Revos. This looks like a move to speed up their own AI chip development, try to rely less on NVIDIA.
Sensible move given the demand. And finally,
just a financial reality check. OpenAI reportedly brought in $4.3 billion in revenue in the first half of 2025.
Wow, huge number.
It is, but they also burned through $2.5 billion on research and compute in that same period. Just shows the absolutely massive cost of building this foundational AI.
Yeah, incredible figures. Okay, that was a whirlwind tour. Let's wrap up with some tools people can actually use today.
Right, 5 trending utility tools, separate from the big company announcements.
Okay, what do you have for development or creativity?
2 cool ones here. First, Imagine with Claude. It helps generate UI and app designs quickly, just from ideas.
Speeds up prototyping.
Exactly. And then there's Essential. It's from nothing, their digital playground for creating apps using simple text prompts.
Interesting. What about for content or research work?
2 standouts. Tab is a tool specifically designed to help you write content that ranks well on search engines and LLMs.
SEO for the AI age.
Kinda, yeah. And for analysis, Capelize. It's an AI agent that can collect data, analyze it, and then generate reports for you.
Automating data tasks.
Nice.
And the last one?
Actually, 2 more quick ones. For video, One 2.5 turns text prompts into pretty professional-looking HD videos.
Okay.
And for anyone doing academic or professional writing, Coke instantly creates citations in all the major formats, APA, MLA, Chicago, etc. Super useful.
Definitely need that sometimes. Okay, great list.
So if we tie this all back, the big theme today really feels like this split, this divergence in where AI is going.
Yeah, you mentioned that at the start.
Right. You've got the super visible consumer stuff like Sora 2 and cameos, high potential for virality, maybe some of that slop, but built for speed and
The
engagement.
flashy side.
And then you have the complete opposite, periodic labs, foundational, really expensive, quiet scientific work, building actual labs to teach AI about the physical world.
It really highlights two very different bets on the future.
It does, and it raises a key question for you listening. Which of these paths is going to define the next decade? The viral content explosion or the deep, slow, fundamental science? And maybe more importantly, where should you be focusing your attention?
That is a powerful thought to sit with. Thank you for joining us for this deep dive. To make sure you always get these essential insights, please follow the show. And if you found this useful, share this deep dive with someone else who needs the shortcut to being well informed. We'll talk to you next time.